Guys, how are you? Welcome to another quick tip. Well, this time is more like a follow-up video about my ceramic brakes. I did assembly my rear ceramic brakes, ceramic pads, I mean. As you can see, I did about 1000 kilometers and the rims are completely free of dust. It has just a fine dust, almost compatible with the dust on the car. It's very dirty. It's been raining and so on, and some cold days, and I'm really glad. I did have this experience on my sedan, on my Alfa 156 sedan, but the rear pads are not ATE ceramic pads. They don't exist for the smaller rotor, but this is, and I'm really happy with this result. Also on the front, you may remember on the video that I did about the assembly of the rear, the front rims were very dirty. That was because those wheels were at the rear of the car, and the rear of the car did not have the ceramic pads. So the rear rims and the rear wheels were very dirty, and I passed the wheels to the front, and then I cleaned the front of the car and the whole car for that matter. And at the front I still have the ceramic brake pads, and the result is actually very good. So now I have the four corners with the ceramic pads. The car is very dirty. Just to show you, on this side you cannot see anything. Just to show you that I don't need to clean the car to see it, for you to see that these ceramic brake pads work for what I want. I want a clean look for these rims. These rims are very difficult to wash. I always have to get my fingers in behind the spokes, and it's better this way. If you have to clean constantly your rims with abrasive products, with abrasive cloths, or some other tools that you have to clean your rims, you are in fact damaging the paint, the clear coat of your rim. And in that way, the clear coat, the paint of the rim, becomes more absorbent of all of the dust that can attach itself to the rims. So in this way, I have, once again, clean rims, clean rotors, clean everything. I really love these types of rotors, painted rotors. Inside of the wheel is very clean as well. On the front, I still have to clean. Let me see if you can see it. I still have to clean down there, but you can see the difference, right? The difference between ceramic dust and the other type of dust. And just to give you an update about the noise on the rear calipers, I did swap out the supports left to right and right to left, and it appears to have worked this way. I don't have the caliper hanging and making noise anymore, at least for now. The guides are still on the same position, and for now I think I can manage this. So the support is now left to right and right to left, so the wear inside of the support is not the same, obviously, and I think I can live with this. So for now I will not worry too much about that problem. But as we saw on the other video, really the best thing you can do right now is try to find new supports for the caliper. Overall, I'm really happy with the result. I'm really happy with the cleanness of the rims. I'm really happy with the power of braking of these pads. Some of you say that these pads do not work as well. Maybe on the heavier car they may stop a little bit differently. In my case, I think it brakes even better than it did. It's more grabby. I really like the feeling of these pads. So I'm happy overall. I hope I can continue with these pads. If they don't stop manufacturing these pads, it will be wonderful. I think I will be making a stock for these pets. I think I will run this car for another 5 to 6 years on the daily basis. So I want to have stock for these kinds of braking pads. I hope you like this follow-up video. I will leave you a link here, up here on the screen, about the playlist of everything brakes that I have on my channel so far. I hope you can consider subscribe to this channel. It will help me a lot to continue to deliver these kinds of and others of informations. Share with your friends and hit the like button. Also, on the description below, there is a lot of information that can be useful for you. Playlists, videos, helps for the channel. Really a lot of information that really can be useful for you and me. See you next time, guys. Bye.